Recently, Riverside Public Utilities replaced an electric pole on top of Mount Rubidoux. We spoke to some of those in charge of the project about how it was organized.
We had an aged pole up here that needed to be changed, and due to the access up on the mountain, we chose to hand dig the hole and then hire a helicopter to fly the new pole in and fly the old one out.
We have a company that goes out and inspects all the poles, and the ones that are deemed to be replaced, we take action on replacing those poles. The one that was here today was actually deemed for replacement last year, but because of the access restrictions that we had trying to get the helicopter here, it did take some time, but it was done today, and it's just to replace the pole.
The replacement is much thicker and stronger than the old pole and will last about 50 years. The team faced challenges in retrieving the old pole and installing the new one. But thanks to some thoughtful planning and ingenuity, the process went smoothly.
From the design to when it was constructed, I think it was good because it's a longer pole. That's one of the restrictions we had in terms of trying to get a truck because we don't have enough right-of-way to get one of our trucks up here.
We communicated with our Park and Rec department. They've been a big help closing down the mountain, putting up the notices, and that was probably our most challenge, is keeping the people off the hill for a while for the safety of our folks. Hopefully we can do some more of these in the future if we need to be. As far as I'm concerned, it was a big success.
Riverside Public Utilities wants their customers to have reliable energy, so they're taking a proactive approach to keeping the infrastructure intact and changing electric poles at the right time.